Good morning, children. How are you all? Once again, I welcome you all in my SST class. Children, today we will discuss chapter 4 Indian states. Okay? And in this class, I am going to discuss with you central government and state government. Okay? So, children, as in the picture you can see, this is our parliament house. So, let's start the class, children. We have a government that runs the country. Children, we have the government that runs our country. Okay? We call it the central government or the union government. Children, the government which runs our country is called as central government or the union government. Okay? So, other name for central government is also union government. Okay? The head of the central government is called the president. So, who is the head of the central government, children? President is the head of the central government or the union government. Okay? He has a council of ministers to help him. Children, here in the picture you can see the head of the central government is president. He has a council of ministers to help him. Okay? The head of these ministers is called the prime minister. The head of these ministers is called the PM. Okay? Prime minister. Okay? Nowadays our prime minister is Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay? The capital of a country is a place from where the central government operates. So children, capital is a place from where the central government does its all the works. Okay? All the government decisions, all the government works are done from the country's capital. It means our country's capital is Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. Okay? All the works of central government are performed from Delhi. Okay? The capital of a country is a place from where the central government operates. Delhi is the capital of our country, India. Here you can see Delhi is the capital of our country, India. Okay. The president, the prime minister and all other important officials of the central government have their offices in the national capital. Children, the president, the prime minister and all other important officers have their offices in the national capital. So children, these persons' offices, president, here president, prime minister and all other important officers have their offices in the country's capital, in the national capital. It means their offices are in the Delhi. Okay. Each state of India has its own government called the state government. Now children, everyone come to state government. Each state of India has its own government. In each state in India, there is a government which is called as state government. Okay. The head of a state government is called the governor. Children, here you can see the head of the state government is called the governor. And governor has a council of ministers to help him in his works, Okay, governor has a council of ministers to help him, to assist him. Okay, and the head of these ministers is called the CM, chief minister. Okay, the head of these ministers is called the chief minister, CM. Okay, Mukhya Mantri. Each state has its own capital, children. Each state has its own capital. The governor, the chief minister and all other important officials of the state government have their offices in the state capital. Children, all these persons' offices are in the state capital, such as governor, chief minister and other important officers. They have their offices in the state capital. Okay. All these persons' offices are in the state capital. Okay. Some parts of our country are not under any state government. Children, some parts of our country are not under any state government. They are directly under the union government. They are directly under the central government. They are called as union territories. So, what are called union territories, children? Some parts of the country which are not under any state government, which are directly under the union government, are called as union territories. Okay, children? Each union territory has its own capital. So, children, each union territory has its own has also its own capital. Ladakh is the biggest union territory we have, and the Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory. Okay, children? Each union territory has its own capital, such as Ladakh's capital is Leh and Lakshadweep's capital is Kavaratti. Okay, children? Ladakh is the biggest union territory and the Lakshadweep is the smallest. Here you can see Lakshadweep. Okay, Lakshadweep. Which capital is? Lakshadweep's capital is here. You can see Lakshadweep. Here, children. This is Lakshadweep. Okay. Lakshadweep capital is Kavaratti. Okay, children. And here you can see Ladakh. Okay. Biggest union territory Ladakh. Here you can see. Here this is Ladakh. Okay, children. And biggest union territory is Ladakh, which capital is Leh. Okay, children. Ladakh's capital is Leh and Lakshadweep capital is Kavaratti. Okay. So children, that's all for today. We will meet in our next class video. Till then, children must take care. Be safe at home. Bye bye and thanks for watching my video.